1 o'clock right now, and we are heading towards Kailash Giri. There's this cable car, ropeway. We'll go on a ropeway to the mountain, so that's what it is about, and we are heading there today, and I'm vlogging that, and rest of the day is not planned yet. So for now we are going there, and then I'll tell you the updated plan as well. So guys, little change in plans. The ropeway will be open from 2 p.m. so we are here to watch at the viewpoint. This is called the T point or viewpoint. So we have come here and we'll sit in our car and watch the sea. It's a beautiful view from here, and yeah. So guys, we have finally managed to reach Kailash Giri, and here I am standing in the staircase of the ropeway, and this is how the cable cars over here look, and this is how we are supposed to go. And yeah, I'm standing in the line. In the next one I'm gonna hop on. So guys, here I am sitting on the cable car, and this is the view from here, and you can see the whole Vizag from up here. It's a beautiful experience. Yeah, and I'm enjoying my ride. This is the view from up here. This is so beautiful. Yes, you can see everything in Vizag from here. So yeah, this was our experience, and it's so pretty and so beautiful from up here. So guys, we have reached Kailash Giri, and that's the park behind me, and yeah, there are restaurants over here, and that's the train track, and there's a train. You can take a tour in the train, but it was closed due to COVID. Anyways, there were parks and people were having picnics over here. There were restaurants, and I'm also taking a walk around here, and this is a very famous place. Here is the Murti of Shiv Parvati, which you can see from down in the roads also from Vizag. But yeah, that's the famous statue over here. People come and take pictures, and there are so many amazing views from here. This is a basic view from Kailash Giri, and it's so blissful, you guys, and the place was so peaceful and so beautiful. And next, this is the Titanic sea view point. It's also a sea view, but yeah, this is like a Titanic thing because of this railing thingy. It's like a ship from here, and yeah, that's the view, and it's so beautiful over here. And that's me, and I'm having a great time over here. So yeah, if you come to Vizag, do not forget to check Kailash Giri, of course. We are done with our ropeway, and we are heading towards the car now. That is the view behind me. So guys, we are done with Kailash Giri, and we are done with the ropeway, and now we'll go and eat somewhere, and then we'll see what plans we have in future for the day. So yeah, we'll see that. Guys, so we have come here to eat now, and we have ordered biryani, so we'll see when it arrives. So this is how 2 half plate biryanis look. It's a nice huge portion. After I'm done eating, I'll go to the car and I'll give you a review and about the restaurant and everything. And it's in the beach road in front of RK Beach. So yeah, I'll just check on the name and everything, and the name of this restaurant is Food World. So yeah, I'll eat it, and then when I'll go back to my car, I'll give you the review about how the food was. So I am done eating the biryani that I had, and it was really nice. I really liked it. If you are here, you are not a South Indian, you can definitely try that out. That restaurant, the biryani is really nice. It's not khatta at all. So yeah, that place was nice. It's called the Food World, in front of the RK beach. It's really nice. You can try that restaurant out if you come here and visit Vizag. And now after having the lunch, we have come to Rosemary Hills, and there's this beautiful thing. There's a temple, there's a masjid, and there's a church on the same lane. The masjid is actually inside the church over here, and it's really beautiful. So we have come here, and the view is also very, very So yeah, that was the view, and it's so serene, so beautiful. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Just like this beautiful sunset, we also ended our day over here. And yeah, it was so pretty and so amazing, and we also were able to catch this beautiful sunset from here. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, do hit the bell icon as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my very next video. Two more videos are left for this series, and I hope you are enjoying this series as well. So yeah, bye guys.